everyone, and a Happy New Year to you all. I'm starting this YouTube season off with a short little intro, more or less, where I am doing a sketch, and then I'm going to hand that sketch over to a professional artist and let him render it in any which way he chooses. And there he is. That's Frederick. He is my son. He's a professional concept artist. He's an accomplished acrylic and oil painter. He's currently working on his own graphic novel. And he's also a good boy. So my thinking was that I'd create some kind of a random made up place and then hand it over to him and see where he takes it. I'm not giving any indication as to lighting or where this place may be. I'm just going to leave that, just give him a line drawing and see what happens. When he was younger, we used to do this thing called Drabble, where he would start a picture or I would start a drawing and then hand it over, and we'd switch it back and forth. So he'd draw a foot and then I'd add a leg to it, and we just expand it out until we figured that the drawing was complete. So that's kind of where this idea came from. And I thought it would be cool to do the same sort of thing almost 25 years later and see how our styles have evolved and where we are at this point in our lives. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to hand over this thumbnail to Grady. He's going to do what he does with it. And in the meantime, I'm going to take this, this drawing and do some form of line and wash. So I encourage you to go on over to Grady's YouTube channel and subscribe and hit that bell or whatever so you get notifications. So when he's done his version of this, he'll post it, and then I'll post my watercolor version of this drawing. So that's the plan. We're going to have a traditional painting and a digital painting based on this sketch. So stay tuned. I'm going to let you go now and go on over and visit Grady's YouTube channel. And like I said, subscribe, ring the bell, do whatever you have to do. And we'll have some art for you soon. Thanks for dropping by, and we'll see you later.